Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I deleted all my channels, but today we are playing brokaven. And we are gonna see how much crazy stuff it's gonna do, or maybe there's not gonna be crazy stuff. Okay, guys, we are in the game, and we are literally who put this there? So let's see what's in here. Why did someone put this here? Why did someone put this house here? And there's no furniture! Like, that's so gay. Like, what the freak? Guys, I'm a good person, okay? You heard enough. But where is... Well, I'm gonna go beast mode on this. Guys, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's go beast mode! Oh my god. Ew. I'm going in circles. Okay, I'm gonna do it here. Can you just shut up and move, car? I hate this car. Like, just a move. Okay, fine, perfect. Okay, now where's my house? I'll go for this one. This one's a good one. Except. Okay, there we go. Now let me park my car next to my house. Hopefully no one sees. Oh. Okay. Let's open it. Perfect. Okay, how do I? Bro, where's the other one? Finally. Okay. I'm just gonna go outside. I was just gonna park my car so everything's safe. That's not fully closed. I need it to be like close. Okay. So I need to go to somewhere. I don't just want to delete my house. What I'm gonna do. Okay. So let me go here. Someone's house is here. I need to go here because I need to see. Hopefully they don't bother me. Oh, it's a little cute duck. Okay, I heard on my phone that there's gonna be lots of disasters. Let me go check it out. My name is Ducky. Aw, cute name. Your name's so cute. Okay, let me see of the dangers because they said it's gonna happen. Oh my god. Breaking news, everyone. There is gonna be a natural disaster at someone's house. And it's this mansion over here. If you go to this mansion, you are dead meat. Oh my god, guys. Did you guys just hear that? Ducky, did you also hear that? That was so scary. No? Okay, you're acting suspicious. Okay. Why is it always so hard to go through the door? It's impossible. Okay, I'm the queen. Just kidding. What do you say? I have a pickle. Oh, I meant he said PC, bro. He said bro at the end. I'm not a dude, a boy, but you can call me that if you want. Poop? Ew, don't poop. You're dead gross. Okay, this is gonna be my bed. No one can sleep in my bed. 24 hours later. I heard some weird noise before at night. Hopefully that was just a dream. Yeah. just gonna go outside to see what's going on. Oh, hi, Ducky. Good morning. Okay. I'm cold out here. Is it spring? Good morning. You too. Cold. Why? What is that in there? Ew. No, summer. Oh, it's summer? Then why is it cold? Moss. That's moss? Seriously? Are you actually being for real? You're too sus, dude. Get away from me. Fluffy. What's fluffy? What, like, are you serious? You're scaring me. The moss. Ew, that's gross. Let me feel it. Oh, it's actually fluffy. I'm so glad we have this. Ooh, it's making me fun. Yeah, it is so much fun. Like, it is the best. I'm going to stay here. Okay, bye. I'm scared, guys. Do you know what's gonna happen to Ducky? Because he seems like a really sus person and nice at the same time. Well, why did he say, I'm going to stay here? That's so suspicious. I'm so scared. Okay, let me just go in the mall so I can have some funsies. Funsies. Funsy. Okay. When is Ducky back? I'm getting kind of chilly and scared. I'm hiding here. Yeah. I saw something. I'm going to the house. Ah! What's the water? Go up. Ah! Well, it just went away. What's happening? Oh, yeah, I remember the natural disaster. Ducky, come here. Ducky, I need to tell you something. Ducky, I literally saw water in the house. It was like flooding. What happened? I saw water in the house and like your mansion. It was flooding. Nah, you capping. I'm not capping. I'm literally for real. Like, please believe in me. I'll never lie to a duck. Like, you're the cutest duck. Why will I lie to you? You look so cute. Why would I even lie to you? Why? You're just imagining things. Stop pretending you are what? I am wearing a cap? What cap? Like, what cap? The hat? Wait, what? Yes, like the hat. Yeah, because I want to wear the hat. Not you. The hat. I know, but why were there water in here? Exactly? I know, like, why would there water in there? Because I just saw it and disappeared for a second. Ducky, were you seeing this? Okay, you're not the manager, dude. I'm getting out of here. Dude, bro, stop making up jokes. I'm not lying. Wait, you're the Wait, did you set that in the chat? I know. You did say that in the chat. You're the president. Oh my god. Dude, please. Wait. I learned that you didn't have chat before, but now you do. How did that happen? Because you never had chat. Oh, I get it. Because it's your other account. Ah, yeah. Wait. I feel like I saw a person over here. But I'm imagining things. Ugh. Oh my god. I'm going outside. Like, for real. I'm scared. What are you doing? Wait. Yeah, you are. I am what? Imagining things? Like, imagining things? Yes? I am. But except for the water. Because I saw water for like 30 seconds. And then boom, it's gone. And I think I'm imagining the person over here. This is so strange. Am I imagining things or not? Guys, tell me in the chat. Do you think I'm imagining things? Nah, capping. No, I mean for real. I am not capping. Am I imagining things or not, Ducky? Am I? Please tell me I'm imagining things. I do not want this natural disaster. Wait. If it said you are. No, Ducky, rewind. If it said there's a natural disaster in this house, then it should be there's a natural disaster. Because I just saw water in here, so I can't be imagining things. Because it said there's a disaster, remember? Yo, Ducky, please. I'm actually not imagining things. It's like turning real. Don't see it. Don't see what? Like, don't see it what? Like, what are you even talking about? You're imagining. I'm not imagining. Imagination, I meant. Your imagination. This is not my imagination. Dude. It literally said there's a natural disaster here. And it's in this house. So how could possibly I could be lying to this cute little duck? Go home. Fine, I'll go to my own home. Fine. I'm not living with you anymore. Bye. Oh, that dog is so annoying. I'm literally not imagining things. This is always happening to me. Like, wait, what does this say? Why does it say 6 seconds?